I'm Professor Gear Change, and today we're going to try and stop my Range Rover L405 from catching fire. Basic problem seems to be here that the main power cable that comes out of the battery is trapped underneath the spare wheel. So we'll lift out the spare wheel with this rather clever hoist arrangement that arrived in the post today and take a closer look. So now the spare wheel is out of the way, we can have a more careful look. Sure enough, when you look down here, you can see the paint has been rubbed off and the cable itself has been flattened. So this was of great concern, as you can imagine. So after a bit of research, it turned out that there's a missing spacer, which looks like this. And that is supposed to stop the wheel bearing directly on the cable and shorting out and setting fire to the vehicle. However, there is still a problem because this slot here does not line up. The cable needs to be coming out more down here, but there's too much cable, so I think a bit of fettling is needed. Okay, so after a bit of fettling, it's not exactly how I'd like it, but it's not too bad. So we can put the spacer in and hopefully all is good. Yep, I think that's fine. Put the wheel in and see how it looks. Yeah, that's free now, that wire, so hopefully problem solved. Well, I hope you found that video interesting, and I hope that my Range Rover is not going to catch fire now. Thanks for watching.